I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, cool.
Oh,
How is it there?
it's really so good. Our people is really so hospitable, talkative, and how do I describe it? Is I'm learning English. Okay, I'm sorry if I make any mistake.
No, you're really good. You're really good. You're really good, I promise.
Thank you. Look, everyone are welcome to my country.
Is it nice weather?
Thank you so much. So look, I'm gonna show the two papers right here. Okay, so here we go. Which one you support? Frankly.
The one Palestine, obviously.
Oh yes, free Palestine, free Palestine.
Free Palestine, I agree.
Yeah. Thank you so much. You're so lovely, woman. God bless you. What do you do for work?
I'm an architect. I'm in film.
Oh, you are working for filming and you are architect. Well, so do you have any channel or any other platform where you work?
She does. She has a really well-known channel.
Really? That's so cool. Where do you work actually? I mean, which platform you have?
Sorry?
Do you have any platform like Facebook page or YouTube channel or Instagram or some other things?
I have a YouTube channel.
Really? So if you are willing to give me your channel name so I can subscribe also. I'm a YouTuber.
Oh wow, really? What's your channel called?
Yeah, I have, let me check. I have, how many subscribe? Let me check. I have 55k. 55.7. Yeah.
What's it called?
Yeah. Not only my YouTube, but also I have a Facebook page also where 211k. 211k follower.
Oh my god, that's insane.
Yeah.
What is it called? What's the channel called?
Yeah, thank you so
What
much.
is the name of the channel?
Gazi Nahian. Gazi.
Wait, guys.
Gazi.
Guy? I mean, yeah, what?
Gazi.
Gazi.
Yeah, Gazi. Space. Yeah, space. NAS.
Yeah.
IAN.
Okay, we'll subscribe to you. Yeah, we'll follow.
For sure. Thank you so much.
Bye.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much. And welcome to you both on my live. You know, I'm learning English and that's why I'm having conversation randomly.
Good.
Thank you.
That's cool. You sound pretty good.
Oh, thank you. Where are you from?
England.
Oh, England. I'm from Bangladesh.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, exactly. You both are friends?
Friends, yeah.
They're so cool. So I think you are still in apprentice.
Yeah. I'm guy.
Okay. Why do you really keep streaming for right here? Just what's your purpose?
We're just talking to people.
Oh, they're so cool. Oh, now I'm gonna show two paper here. Okay, right here.
What is it?
That's Israel, that's Palestine.
Okay.
What do you mean?
The two flags, one's Palestine, one's
Palestine?
Israel. Or Israel. Which
Oh,
one?
thank you so.
I don't know.
Thank you so much.